welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. We are headed to the Redline Sorority Meet tonight. It is fully open to the public, so hopefully nobody screws us up for us and ruins the meet. Fingers crossed. Hope everyone's on their best behavior, and let's go check it out and see who all shows up. Here's the girls.
I don't even care right now.
It's a Paparino.
I am in my way.
VIP parking. We got the mini clan with Murphy. As you guys seen me filming him rolling in. Pretty good turnout. Super nice night, so I'm not surprised. Very smoggy because of the forest fires in BC and Saskatchewan, but it creates a really nice light. Bumper has been refitted. Yes. Looking clean and fresh. Sure you guys will remember this super cool hatchback from the Royal Rally videos. Follow her on Instagram. Such a clean Forester.
We're having Oh, now he waves. Fuck you, bitch. Don't you forget it. There's no room for you. Well, you can park behind us. Or I guess you can park on the grass.
I'll go park next to my Ruby.
Where's This is still the iconic trunk setup. Man, that looks so good. So clean.
I left the meet. I wanted to come out and get some pictures done of Stone. Well, I got a really good camera. I borrowed my dad's Nikon D800 and just wanted to get some really good photos of Stone, and the lighting is just incredible. And thankfully, as much as it sucks that the smoke is so bad for us and for our lungs, and just it's not good for us, period, it makes one really nice softbox for taking photos. So I'm just kind of running around before we run out of some light and getting some pictures done. Hopefully some of them will turn out okay, and we'll see how it goes. So just gonna bring you guys along. I've been to 2 locations already. One of them is my absolute favorite photo spot. So I think they're gonna turn out pretty good. Now we are at the YMCA to get some photos done, and let's see how these ones turn out.
Wait.
What are you fucking running?
Stock.
Bravo.
Thank you.
Yeah, that was brilliant.
That was good. That was
I'm
good.
electric.
Nice.
So I got a little bit of an advantage on you, but that's fucking brilliant. M3,
M3.
full on whatever. What have you done on the engine?
Nothing.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
I don't know if it'll show, but that's how smoky the city is. It is absolutely crazy. Normally you can see across the city, but it's like all pure smoke. Like I was saying, the smoke is really not good for us humans, but I think it's going to make the pictures turn out really crispy. I'll post some of my favorites that I got at the end of this video. It was a good night, good people. A lot of newer people came out that we've never seen before because they actually opened the meet to everybody, fully open. All the restrictions here in Calgary have been lifted, so now we can meet and start having car things again and enjoying our cars. Home safe and sound. Now I'm gonna go inside, edit this vlog, and edit the photos. So please keep watching till the end of this. I'll put up some of my favorite pictures that I took tonight. But other than that, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.